Happy New Year, everyone. It's DL here and wanting to share with you some energies that I'm feeling for 2025. And the first one is the idea and the concept of alignment. Alignment has been a key focus to my work for decades. And now bringing into the concept of alignment in mindset and energy, and including that in my programs using the same method that I have been using, which is to release or free anything that is preventing that alignment, and then also of course realigning, and then finally doing reinforcement. And the word that has come to me is re-education. Because I believe that education is required to understand the ideal functional way to be aligned. And again, I understand that that is going to be different for every person. And so understanding that concept brings me into the second energy, which is the idea of doing it right. So just do it right. If we did it right from the beginning, we would not get into so many problems. If I had just done it right and straightened my teeth, I would not be in a position with $10,000 pain and also pain and suffering and almost losing my life with regard to dental work. And you don't know what you don't know. And I think, once again, that's where re-education comes into play. And lastly, the energy of love. I've been really hearing the song "Love Is All You Need" by the Beatles, and I will connect those lyrics and that song to you to send that energy of love, and everything being done with the energy of love, including communication, also the actions, the intentions, done with the energy of self-love and love of others, love of the universe, love of the earth, love of all sentient beings, particularly the line, "It's easy, it's easy, all you need is love." And really feeling into that, that energy as I send this to you, sending you love, and also with an invitation for tonight to have an opportunity to get aligned, to just do it right, and to give and receive the energy of love. So I've included the link. I hope to see you there. And oh yeah, one last thing. I will be teaching a foot strategy. It is to restore a motion of the foot that I believe, if was restored in the population of the world would be a better place. So I will be serving the energy of love to you and the world in order to create more harmony and peace and love by teaching you this technique that is integral for every foot diagnosis, for walking, for balance, for fall prevention. So I hope you can join me to start the year just doing it right and getting aligned. Sending you much light and love. Bye now.